This creamy steak pasta is high in protein, made with a simple yogurt sauce, and takes less than 40 minutes to prepare. No heavy cream, no jar sauce, and it still comes out rich and creamy. So let's jump right in. First, dice 1 medium bell pepper. Then dice half of an onion. Next, grab a large handful of mushrooms and slice them. I think I used around 15 button mushrooms here. Then smash and mince 2 cloves of garlic. Now let's make the sauce. Grab a medium bowl. Hopefully you have a bigger bowl than I do here. Add 1 cup of Greek yogurt and 2 eggs. Mix this thoroughly until smooth and creamy, then set it aside for later. This is going to be our high protein yogurt sauce, replacing heavy cream or jar sauce. Now let's move to the stove. Get a pot of water boiling for your pasta. Add your pasta, a pinch of salt, and a small teaspoon of oil. Cook the pasta according to the package, but take it off about 2 minutes early. If you want even more protein, you can use lentil pasta instead. Now, for the steak. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a pan, and once it is hot, add your steak. Tonight I am using veal steak seasoned with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Cook it for about 2 minutes on each side. We are looking for a nice sear, not cooking it all the way through because it will cook more later. Once it's done, take it out and set it aside to rest for a few minutes before cutting. Back to the same pan, add another teaspoon of oil. Add the garlic and let it saute for about 1 minute. Then add in your onion, bell pepper, and mushrooms. Stir everything to coat the veggies in the oil. Before draining your pasta, take out about 1 cup of pasta water. I always try to do this early because I forget most of the time and then it's gone. Sauté the veggies for about 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. Make sure to scrape the bottom of the pan to pick up all that flavor from the steak. After 4 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and stir it in well. Then, slice your steak and add it back into the pan along with any juices. Let that cook together for about 2 minutes. Now add in your yogurt sauce and about 1/4 cup of pasta water to help thin it out. I wanted mine a little thinner, so I added another 1/4 cup of pasta water, bringing it to about 1/2 cup total. If you forgot to save pasta water, broth works just fine. Now, slowly add in your pasta. I like to add it gradually so the sauce stays creamy and doesn't dry out. Once everything is mixed, let it cook for about 5 minutes. Stir this a couple of times throughout so nothing is burning on the bottom. This also ensures that everything will be coated well. And that's it. Your high-protein steak pasta is ready. Instead of finishing it in the pan, you can also transfer everything to a baking dish, add grated cheese on top, and bake at 190 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes until bubbly and golden. This is a simple, high-protein, creamy pasta that is easy to make and perfect for a quick dinner. I hope you have an amazing day or night wherever you're watching from. Thank you so much for being here with me for another video, and I will see you in the next one real soon.